Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to draw and render this floor plan using only one software, Rayon. We will be using free housing blocks from Toffu to furnish this drawing. You can find this free block kit in the description below. First, go to rayon.design and create a free account. Once you sign in, you can click on the New Model button to start drawing from scratch or import a PDF, PNG, or DWG file into Rayon. Let's import a PDF drawing. You can set a scale or use the blue line as a reference to place the distance. In this case, the door will be our reference. Then import as vectors. You can change units from the main menu or the down right corner menu. Use the dimension tool to measure the wall thickness. Adjust the wall style by clicking on the small pencil icon. Change the opacity of the drawing and lock it. Draw walls over the imported lines. Repeat the same process for the thin walls. We will be using this red color palette for styling. Let's rename and change the style of the walls. Add doors and windows from the block library. Change the line colors of the doors and windows from the Style panel to match the walls. Easily place doors and windows on the walls. Stretch them or mix them together. Next, create a new layer for zones. Use the Zone tool to place fill and tags. Style the tag as you like, and change color, size, and font. Change the names of the rooms. Use Zone Divider to place custom zone. Next, style the zone with textures or hatches you like. Let's draw a shape with a white hatch under the drawings to add more details to the background. Now, create a new layer for the shadows. Make a new style shape with a gray fill and 25% opacity. Select a polyline to draw the shadows. Add more details such as scale, tags, and arrows. All the blocks you can find in the Rayon library. To customize and change the text, simply unblock the object and then group it together. When finished with the details, add some dimensions to the drawing using the dimension tool. To furnish the drawing, we are using Toffu's housing block kit. There are plenty of blocks that can be easily styled and customized. You can find this block pack directly in Rayon's template library or get it for free through the link in the description. Copy the block kit to your canvas and place the blocks as you like. Now, place a title block from the page layout library and size it. To export, go to the Page tab. To size the frame over your drawings, you can choose different page sizes and scales. We will export this drawing in a custom size. You can save it as a PNG, DWG, or PDF file. And that's it. You now have your finished drawing. Hope this video was helpful. You can find all the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.